So now we are continuing square root by division method. Okay. So first example is, say I am taking 3136. Find the square root of 3136 using division method. Right. Now how do you go about it? See, 3136. Make pairs from this side. Okay. This is one pair. This is another pair. So 31. The nearest square of 31. 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. 36 is bigger than 31. So we'll take 5 5s are 25. Okay. Subtract. Balance is 6. Bring this pair down. 6 36. Add this 5. 10. Okay. Now 100 and this will be the third digit I have to write, no? That is the procedure. So 1 0. 106 6. Yeah. 106 6 is 636. See, this is the procedure. Minus karo 0 aa gaya, end. So 56 is your answer. So square root of 3136 is equal to 56. This is your answer. We'll take one more sum. Okay. Say I'll take 4225. How do you do? Pair karo. 2 pairs. 42. 5 5s are 25. 6 6 are 36. 7 7s are 49. 49 is bigger. So I'll take 6 6 are 36. 6 बाकी माइनस किया तो दिस 6 आई एम एडिंग 12 हो गया. थर्ड डिजिट मांगता है अभी. ये पेयर को नीचे लेके आओ. 625. 625 एकदम ईजी हो गया. 5 से एंड होते हैं. 125 5 are 625. माइनस करो 0 0. So square root of 4225 is nothing but 65. This is the answer. Now I'll take one more sum I am giving you where the pairing will be difficult for you. See, pairing करेगा तो वह एक छूट जाएगा. I mean to say I am giving you odd number of digits. These are all even number of digits. Now I'll give you an odd number of digits. Say I am giving you 51529 ले लो. 51529. I want to find the square root of this. So I'll make the pair first. Okay. 1 pair, 2 pair. देखो ये छूट गया ना अकेला. So whenever you get odd number of digits, you will always get a single number in the beginning. Okay. So many students make a mistake. वो लोग इधर से pair करते हैं और 51 से start करते हैं. That will be totally wrong. So now 5 is my first digit. So 2 2s are same procedure. 2 2s are 4. Minus किया. 1 balance. Bring the next pair down. ये जोड़ी को नीचे लाया 15. ये add किया 2 को. I'm getting 4. Next digit will be 1 1 5 4 कितने टाइम जाएगा? 42 2s are 84. Correct? This is by guess you are getting. Okay? Guess work करना है. 1 11 8 is 3. 31 बच गया. ये पेयर को नीचे लाया 29. Now I'll add this to here. It will be 44. The third digit I have to put. ये 9 में end होना मांगता है. So my guess will be 7. 447 multiplied by 7. Let us check. 447 multiplied by 7 7s are 49. 4 carry 28 32 2 3 carry 28 and 3 31 3 1 2 9. Yes, I am getting it. Okay. So my answer is this one. Square root of 51529 is equal to 227 is my answer. This is how you should go about. Okay. Now next sum. See, I'll take one decimal also if you want. Say 6.5536 I'm taking. Okay. 5536. Pardon my writing, because I am doing it a little faster. Because I have covered everything in my class. So 2 2s are 4. This is gone. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 4 minus किया तो 2 आया. The moment you bring the decimal pair down, the moment याद रखो decimal के बाद वाला pair नीचे लाया, immediately put a decimal point here. Okay. Now 4 how many times? 5 ending है तो 45 into 5 देखते हैं क्या आएगा. 45 into 5 is 225. Minus this became 30. This pair I am bringing down. Now I got 3036. 5 को इधर ऐड किया 50 हो गया. करेक्ट. अभी थर्ड डिजिट आना मांगता है तो क्या आएगा 50 6 में एंड होते तो 506 ही आना चाहिए. 506 into 6. But before that I must do a check. 506 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 5 are 30. Yes, 3036. Minus करो 0 आ गया. So my answer is 2.56. Got it? Square root of 6.5536 is 2.56 is the answer. Got it? One more we will do. Okay? One more. I'll cover one more decimal point. छोटा छोटा decimal तो easily हो जाएगा. I'm giving a bigger one so that small if it comes, it will be very easy for you to do. Mostly big ही आएगा. Small they won't give for 2 marks. Find the square root of 7.3984 using the division method, long division method. 7 है पहला. Okay? So 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9 तो आएगा नहीं. माइनस किया 3 बचा. ये पैर को नीचे लाया डेसिमल वाला. इमीडिएटली आई पुट अ पॉइंट हियर. इधर ऐड किया 4 आया. 9 से एंड होता है तो क्या आएगा? 7 7s are 49. लेट अस ट्राई. 47 into 7 9 4 कैरी 28 4 32 329 आया. ओके 10 बाकी माइनस किया तो और ये 7 है ना. नाउ ऐड दिस 7 हियर. अभी 3 डिजिट आएगा. 7 7 14 4 1 कैरी 5 54 तो 540 समथिंग आएगा. ब्रिंग दिस पेयर डाउन. 84 को नीचे लाया तो 4 से एंड होना है तो 542 एग्जैक्टली. 500 500,000 42 42 इज 84. 542 2s are 1084. So score एकदम easy, एकदम easy. 7.3984 square root is 2.72 is the answer. Got it? Now we will do some sums. Okay? See, this type of sum you are most likely to get. Okay? What is the they want to know the smallest number. They will give you one number and they want to know a smallest number which when multiplied to that number it will become a perfect square. Okay, one number they will give which is not a perfect square. Okay, the question is what is the smallest number by which 432 must be multiplied so that you get a perfect square. To get a perfect square. Okay, I'm writing in short form. Also, see 2 parts hai sum mein. One is you want to find the smallest number. Also find square root of the number so obtained of the new number. Okay, I'm writing it like this. So ऐसा sum आएगा ना multiplied है. See, you want to multiply something with to 432, you will get a bigger number और वो bigger number का square root find out करने का. So ऐसा sum में you will always do prime factor method. 432 2 2s are 4 2 1 6. Okay, 2 2 1s are 2 2 8s are 16 लिखते हैं बहुत बच्चे लोग. 18 मिलते हैं उनको इधर. But 2 into 18 is 36, not 216. The mistake is 2 1s are 2. इधर पूरा चला गया, कुछ भी कैरी ओवर बाजू में नहीं गया और बाजू वाला छोटा रहेगा. Put a 0 there. Okay, now take 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 27s are. अभी 3 जाएगा. 3 9s are. 3 3s are. Okay, 3 1s are. Now 432 I'll write it as 2 into 2 into 1 2 3 4. 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3. 3 times 3. Now pair it. 1 3 बच गया. So unpaired number is 3. This is your one part of the answer. You are getting half the mark of the question. Okay, 2 marks का है तो 1 mark मिल गया. Now second. Now smallest number को हम multiply करना है 432 से. 432 multiplied by 3. What is 432 actually? 432 is this. Now I'll multiply by 3 on both the sides. 432 into 3, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. ये इतना था. इधर और एक 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, दोनों साइड इंटू थ्री किया इक्वल टू के इधर जो भी करेगा ना उधर सेम करना पड़ता है. इफ़ यू डिवाइड बाई 3 यू शुड डिवाइड बाई 3. ओके. So what is 432 into 3? Let me check. 432 into 3. Multiply. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 1296. This is 1296 is equal to, make it root straight away. और ये भी root करो. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay.